This 2022 Keystone Montana High Country 295RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Norcross, Georgia, 30071 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Homestead, Graphite interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 87 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.